Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, YouTube. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I am out here in Coweta County. It's 43 degrees, 63% humidity. Let me show you this project that I have today. There'll be some before and after photos, as always. We're gonna do these floors later. But today I'm gonna be cleaning this tile and grout. See what color it's supposed to be and what color it is. Also going to be screening and recoating this room. Check it out. This is actually outside. Then downstairs I've got a project of some vinyl composite tile. Let me show that to you. Beautiful wood throughout this whole house. There it is. I've already gotten the wax off of this. We're gonna put some wax on this. Listen, man, if you subscribe to my channel, I want to say thank you. I pray that God bless you all. Stay tuned.
Time is on your side. Don't let them put you down. Don't let them push you around. Don't let them ever change your point of view. Paradise was closed, so they headed for the coast in a blissful manner. They took it to a room apartment that was jumping every night of the week. Happiness was found in each other's arms, as expected. Yeah, Billy pierced his ears, drove a pickup like a lunatic.